Ian's new paper aeroplane, remote controlled.
Here we go.
I'll pull a loop. Oh, that's a big loop. A bit tighter, please.
Okay, here we go. Round. Let's slide close quarter, ready? Pop it up. Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh.
Nice turn, nice and slow. Now going with the wind.
Ooh, downwind. Alright, next time come past and tilt it the top side to me.
Okay.
So I can see in it. Oh yeah, sweet.
Down full throttle. Okay, we do a loop now in front of us. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. You on top side? Come past you?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like a stealth bomber.
Here he comes, the stealth. The white stealth. How good is it? Doesn't stall out or nothing.
Let's do a touch and go on my head.
Mm-hmm.
Go. Touch and go on my head if I can. Oh. Up.
Really? Oh! Alright, come past us and then tilt it like a the top of it to us. Yeah, like that. Oh. I just want to see inside the plane, you know?
Okay.
See the workings. Come slow past and angle it to me, the top of it to me. Yep.
Now let's just see if you can fly a circle radius. Do a knife.
Knife edge?
Not knife edge. Small circle. There you go.
That's your small circle. Oh, there we go.
It's like balancing because there's no rudder.
Yeah.
So it's like sort of balancing the. Can we drag it on the floor?
Tail drag it, touch and go. Yeah, that touch, just. Oi, say.
It's acceleration.
Oh my god! If I'm dead still, just went boom.
I thought I could crash that there.
That was pretty good.
It was like a, and I sort of stalled, and then
yeah.
There you go. See, it's like stall.
Mate, it got out of that last one. Maybe it was a tailwind or something, was it? There must have been a bit of tailwind there.
Alright, let's go for landing.
Alright, catch it. Ta-da!
My first flying paper
Not
aeroplane.
too shabby for a little paper airplane.
Not bad, eh? Okay, here's a no hands takeoff. 3, 2, 1.